Right people, this crazy little farmhouse, absolutely overgrown. As you can see, that's the old front doors down there. Quite a property as well, as you can see, all boarded up. Quite a little place. So, let's have a little look down here so we can see. Little river flowing there, very nice. Down these little, down this little drop. Cool little place away, folks. Stay tuned. That's where we were just. As you can see, that's a house up there. Overgrown to say the least, folks. Super crazy little house. As you can see, that's the window there. Looking over this lovely bit of a stream or river, wherever it is. Not how overgrown these places go though, isn't it, once we get left. Been raining as well today. A bit more. This place. It's very strange, to say the least, folks. Let's have a little look in now. Look at that though. Old and decayed. Cool. Living room. Check out that wallpaper. Old school. Nice old fireplace. Nature coming through the windows. Look at it there, folks. Pure nature. And that wallpaper. Something else that is. Little maybe a kitchen area, storage room, peely stairs. Look at that for a hallway. Old metal radiator. Cool. The old doorway. Good old living room area. Check out them curtains. Let's have a look out this lovely window then. Yeah, that's the view outside, people, from the living room. Absolutely lovely. Nothing but fields and hills.
Yeah, mate.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate.
Pure. Look at all the peeling paint. Shocking really, eh folks? I've just seen a newspaper here. Let's see if you can find a date on it. Bear with me a minute. Very old. don't think it has, people. No, I can't see one. Just a really old bit of newspaper. Very old. So we've got carpet in here too. What a room. Oh, the wood nails. Look at this, what a state they're in, people. Staircase. All caving in. What a mess. That's the old bathroom. So I've got the mirror in too. Very old. Very, very old. Old taps. Cool. Check out that window. Wow. Pure nature. Can't even see out the window. Another bedroom. All left to decay. See what you can see out the window, people. Lovely views. That's out the window, looking down on this lovely river. Nothing but miles of fields in the distance. Very nice. Looking through the broken window. What a room away, people. Another crazy little farmhouse we've seen. Look how close it is to that. As you can see. You have to try and check out that one in a minute. I've still got the old light pulley for the bed. Cool old house. See how old it is, let's check out the old light fitting. Very old. Cool old property. Very nice. Definitely worth a look in. Them curtains. Seen better days they have. Like purple velvet curtains. Look at that as well, folks. Chimney. Full of sticks. Could like that. Yeah, that's another old bedroom. Nothing in here though except for the old wardrobe. That's about it, people. Cool little place though, eh, folks? Let's have a lovely look out this window. Lovely views. Can't get over how nice the views are. Crazy old house. But look at the cobwebs in it. It's not been lived in for years, people. Years and years. The state of the curtains. Grim. Nature growing its way back through everywhere you look. Shocking. Make your way back down these stairs. Cool little house. Another one we've seen. Left to rot. Cool. Cool little place away, folks. That living room. Wow. Yeah, so that was that little house. Crazy, really. Right, people came through that window there. Bit of a dodgy one. Have a look at this little old it's like an old workroom. Everything left, as you can see. All tools were left behind and bits and bobs, circuit boards. Old Sentinel there. 2009. That's about it, people. Just like all circuit boards and safety equipment and you name it left around. Hello, mate. something there, don't know what it is, some kind of machine. Just all bits and bobs, people. Even got an old fridge. You name it, it's left. Old filing cabinet. Don't know what these are here, folks. Anyone does know, let me know in the comments. ABB Kent Taylor. Like a lock on it. Who knows what they are? Light bulbs. Power source. Power supplies. Nothing in the cupboard. I think that's about it for in this room. So, back out through here. Down there. So, see you in a minute, people. The house has just been in there with the river. Cool little place. So I'll jump back down and see you outside in a minute. Right, people, came through the window. So now we're going to try and get in this other part. Through here. If we can. Up through that hole there. Katie's just giving it a go. So bear with, people. See you on the inside. Right, people. Back again. Came through that window there. Sketchy climb that was. And then now, going to have a look up these stairs. While everyone else is downstairs, we're going to have a look upstairs. It's very wet, I'll tell you that much. Looks like I had the kids in, smashing it up. Graffiti everywhere. Rude graffiti as well, look at that. Rudies. Yeah. Like an old workroom, folks. Look at that, wow. Didn't tell you what it is. Some kind of old notice. All like line loads and stuff on it. All operating common machine controls. That's what that was. An old desk. The river is down there somewhere, folks. Just about hear it. Let's have a look through here. It's a bit strange. Yes, this is another empty room there, folks. Just looking through this hole in the wood. Crazy little place though. Very green floor. Yeah. That was this workroom, like an old office. Cool, really. Very smart. Not too decayed. Alright, people, the state of this room. Look at the state of it. The lights are all falling down, the roof's falling down, everything's everywhere. These were offices once back in the day. All trash now by the kids. Absolute idiots. Hello, mate. State of that. This obviously must have been like an old storeroom, maybe. All just left. Old loading bay doors. Crazy. Nice old window. Very cool. It does go up again there. See where the kids have been going up. Standing on these buckets. So let's have a little nosy. See if I can see anything. Ooh. Basically, people, that's what's up that top floor. Nice old roof though. Very nice. Nice woodwork. Yeah, so that's above there. Just having a look the way, folks. Oop. Bear with me, climbing back down off that dodgy bucket. To look up there, like old water tanks from back in the day. All these old racks left behind. Doorway there, all bricked up. Just another place, no longer needed. Left to rot. All computer monitors. Oh, standing on glass. Look at that, old computer screen, computer monitor. Carnage. Filing cabinet on the floor. All the walls all smashed out. Crazy really. Doors all chucked down the stairs, that's where we were earlier. Down them stairs. That's the state of that room, folks. What a mess, eh? Shame to see really. Well, that was this place. Good old office again. Yep, and I have put my sticker on, as you can see. Had to be done. So make my way back down these stairs. Oh, look at that up on the wall. Old ex-ballet. Back down these stairs then. Creepy as well. Dodgy stairs. Decay on the wall up there as well too. Ugh. All leaking off that down pipe up there, I would have thought. What a place though, eh? Doors sealed. Yeah, so here we are back downstairs again. Back in here. Crazy little rooms again. All just left to decay. Been a crazy little place. Downstairs, loading bay. Shame really, eh folks? Just all just left. Left to rot. Cool old place. Obviously that was a way in once, but they boarded it back up. Shame though, eh folks? Just all left. Old chiller water monitor, chiller reset alarm, chiller 2, voltage, and that's where we were just. Engineering department, so it says. Cool little place though, eh? Worth a look. Go back out through the window now. Back out through here. Back out through this window. Right people, we're back out. As you can see, sketchy one that was, to say the least. Right people, as you can see, we're back outside. Beautiful little place. Worth a little nosy around. That sign up there says destroyed to fire 1894, and then it says rebuilt 19 or 1837. That old plaque up there on the wall. Cool little place, eh folks? Worth a wander around, to say the least. All the rest of it's all been knocked down, as you can see in the distance. Not much really left. Well, that's it there. Cool little place. Anyway folks, that's the end of that one. See you again soon.